Hey everybody, I hope you're having a great week. I'm still working on this bed frame that I'm building for my youngest son. I've made some adjustments to the guide rails. I added the parallel stops. I am just referencing that straight edge that I got before and cutting these down to their final width. I still need to make my cuts going the other way, but this should make sure that these panels are the same width so that everything lines up when I go to glue it all together. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below.